So all we need now is just 2.7 more inches of snow in Green Bay to break the all-time snowiest April. That was 15.1 all the way back in 1907. You know what? I think we're going to do it. Not so much today, but it would be that second round for Saturday night going into Sunday. So we got two main rounds to the system. Today, going to be the rainier of the two, maybe a mix way off to the north. Tonight, that rain goes over to a mix, and off to the north, that goes to snow. We'll break that down in a bit. Now, as we go through Saturday, there's probably going to be this little bit of a lull for a while. But as we go through Saturday night, it picks back up, changes over to all snow, and it's going to be a snowy Sunday and windy. It's going to be windy this whole time period. This right now, our current temperature and wind, the calmest it's going to be over the next several days. 8-mile-per-hour wind. It's just picking up from here. 36, so we're above freezing. So anything that's falling is not freezing on the pavement. So we got this rain, and look at all the rain back here, all on the way. Even a couple rumbles of thunder. Don't be surprised if you hear that today. So the first batch is working its way along 21 and 151 through Waushara, Winnebago counties, Calumet, Manitowoc, slowly working its way to the north towards Green Bay, a little bit closer to the rush hour. Here's a look at Skycast. There's that batch of rain, and then it's going to be raining for a lot of the day at times, maybe a couple rumbles of thunder. You see way off to the north, maybe a bit of a wintry mix or snow. Well, watch what happens as we head through the night. It gets colder, and then it starts to change back over to some freezing rain as we head towards the Fox Valley. There's rain to the south. So just be aware of that. By tomorrow morning, we could end up with some minor accumulation of snow. This is by tomorrow morning. 1 to up to 3 inches, the higher totals to the north, a trace to an inch to the south, and possibly some ice out there. But remember, we've got that lull then. And then we've got this winter storm watch because of what's going on as we go through the night tonight, that lull, and then the main batch of snow going to work its way on in. Now, it's still just a watch because there are still some question marks about the strength, track, and temperature. But speaking of those temperatures, we've got 35 in Clintonville. You see everyone right now is above freezing. That's good. Now, watch what happens to the winds as we go through the day. First of all, it's coming right off the bay, right off the lake. That's where it will definitely be strongest. But remember, that's coming down the bay, and we still have some ice out there. So we have this lakeshore flood watch for Oconto, Brown, Dorr, because we're going to push some of that water and ice back down the bay. So be aware, some lakeshore flooding is possible there, lower Green Bay and the Fox River, and ice shoves possible because of that wind and the ice. Now we got that rain going on and off as we head throughout the day, maybe a couple rumbles of thunder. See that mix to the north. Watch what happens as we head through the night. The mix pushes back to the south, and then watch tomorrow. Watch this. We have this little bit of a lull as we head through the day, and then things start to pick back up as we go through Saturday night. Here's Sunday. As we go through the day, here comes more of that snow. That's where the snow's really going to pile up. So this is the second round, Saturday night and Sunday. A lot of us 5 to up to 9 inches, and then to the north, another 9 to 13. There's Fond du Lac 2 to 5. Again, that forecast could change. We still got some time before we get there. 41 though today. Areas of rain or that mix off to the north. A couple rumbles of thunder possible. It's going to get windy. Windy tonight. Rain to a mix. Maybe some freezing rain. Maybe 1 to 3 inches of snow by tomorrow morning. Occasional mix. That lull for tomorrow, but it picks back up as we go through Saturday night and Sunday. And then it starts to taper off on Sunday night. Probably doing some cleanup by then. So, Brooke, the way it looks right now, we're going to break that record. I didn't want to shatter it. I just wanted to break it a little bit, but looks like we're going way over.
I don't want to break it at all. It's terrible.
Sorry.
All right.